Here I am with Stephen's Ember Glow 1966 Ford Galaxie with the 7-liter 428. The original 420 CFM 4100 is long gone. Someone put this vacuum secondary 570 CFM Holley double pumper, which should wake it up a little bit, but Stephen's been had a complaint of it pings a lot. So first order of business here. Oh, the choke also hasn't been working. I hit the throttle now and I got it to set. So let's see what she does. We're gonna get her fired up, get her up to temperature, and then start doing some adjustments, set our timing, and see what we got. Because I bet you it's got too much timing, or it's too damn lean. Well, it's too lean either way, obviously, but I bet you it's a culprit of too much timing. Okay. There it goes. Say about 4 pumps is the magic number. Now she's up and running. Ready. Anyway, we're gonna let her get up to temperature. Cold light. Buddy Jeff loves cold lights. So we're gonna take a picture. All right. Horn works. Yay. We're checking the timing. There it is. Yeah, this thing's got like 16 degrees base timing and idle. Alright, so we brought our timing back to a bit more reasonable. But now we're going to do a little bit of adjusting with our idle mixture and idle speed and take her out for a quick little drive. Alright, so the idle mixture screws, the passenger side room is all the way out and the one on the driver's side is basically shut. That's fun. Alright, so I got them equally adjusted. They're about 2.5 out now on each side. I also lowered the idle speed a little bit. It seems pretty happy, so let's go for a little spin. All right, out test driving the 7-liter. And I have gotten, I mean, it's a decent day. It's in the 70s. But Stephen gets detonation even in the 70s, but nothing. Nice clean pull. No detonation, nothing. She's happy. Well, looks like we got that figured out. Way happy camper. Nice blinker, dude. Yeah, so she's good. All it was too much timing, and that was it. Right, so our next issue is heat. We have the car running, we have it on heat. So we're on heat, it's on warm, blower motor's high, and there is cool ambient air coming out. we're gonna go take a gander down here and see if we got something going on. There's our cable that actuates the temperature. You can see the end of it. Give me 1 second here. Kind of doing this by braille. See, that's hot and that's cold. The cable's working there. We need to see what we got going on in this neck of the woods. So everything up here is actuating as it should by hand, but none of the vacuum items are working as they should be. Which is why we're not getting any heat, because none of the doors are changing and moving. They come in here in the car and I have it on cool now and the air on and it's cold. But I switch over to off, still cold. Switch over to heat or defrost, it's still coming out of the vents. Heat should come out the floor, especially warm, and defrost especially should be coming out the top here, but it's not. So all the vacuum stuff is controlled down here, vacuum spaghetti land. So it's our controller that's bad. Reiterate, the vacuum diverter is not diverting vacuum.